Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. I'll be live tonight at 9 p.m. Central Time. So let's look at XCN. What is XCN doing right now? You might ask. I haven't looked at XCN in quite some time. So let's kind of see what's going on. So let's just start on the 4-hour. No, let's start on the daily time frame. How about we start on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, you can see that we're above the 200-day moving average, but it looks like this falling wedge kind of broke out, but it's now making a lower low. And now, if you clear this away, you can kind of see that it eventually made a head and shoulders pattern, which is bearish. And then you eventually got the dump to the downside. Actually, it's not even a head and... Yeah, I would say it's a head and shoulders pattern. You broke to the downside. And at this point, what is your measured move? Well, it would be lower, and I'd be looking for 1 cent again on XCN. So we'll see what happens, but XCN to me looks kind of sketchy. We'll see what happens. I'd be looking for more downside. The daily on the R side is oversold, though, so could you get a bounce there? Well, let's jump down to the 12-hour time frame. The 12-hour time frame oversold, but it's not getting much of a bounce. The 8-hour time frame, try and get the bounce. But look how bearish that is. The RSI is bouncing while the price is going sideways, and on the smaller time frames, I would bet you $100 that's a bear flag. The 4-hour time frame getting close to being overbought while going sideways, and then you look at the 1 hour, and it's just kind of sketchy. So if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, to me, this is the beginning of a bear flag that could dump you further lower, and that would be a good sign of the head and shoulders continuing to the downside. So we'll see what happens, but even on the smaller time frames, I do see more downside for XCN. We'll see what happens, but I do see more downside for XCN right now. Unfortunately, it just does not look that good. I'm trying to get the measure move of the bear flag right now. So yeah, even the smaller time frames, or even the 4-hour time frame, I should say, gives you a measure move of 1.2 cents. So at least that would be the target. And then you look at the 1 hour, that's kind of just trading sideways. So we'll see what happens, but I'm not loving what I see on XCN right now. It looks bad, and it looks like we are going to head lower. So you lost the 15-minute 200, the 1 hour 200 you lost. Did you lose a 2 hour 200? You did. That's all the way up there. You lost a 3 hour. You lost a 4 hour. You probably lost a 6 hour 200. Did you lose an 8 hour? You did. You just lost an 8 hour 200-day moving average. And then if you jump to the 12-hour, you're about to lose that at 1.5. If you lose that, I would, again, be looking for the daily 200 to be hit. So I'm going to call it right now. I see us going down to the daily 200 on XCN. That's my bearish update on XCN. I'm sorry if you're a bull on XCN. It looks bad. If you hold it, I'm sorry. It looks like you get a few more weeks of downside action on XCN. If you guys enjoyed this update, even though it's bearish, I appreciate it if you can hit the like button. It does help support the channel. It's the least you guys can do. Again, I'll be live tonight at 7 p.m. Central Time. If you guys would like to join my Telegram, link to join that is on my X page. And if you guys would like to join the trading group, where I post Bitcoin and altcoin setups every single day, you can join through clicking the watermark and go from there. So that's all I got. Again, I'll see you guys tonight at 7 p.m. Central Time for the live stream on YouTube and on TikTok. Cheers, and have a great rest of your Saturday night.